Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Talking. I'm David.
And I'm Olivia. Hi, everyone. Today is a special day
A special day? Why?
because we're going on a road trip.
A road trip? This means a long trip by car.
Yes, we're driving for hours to the beach.
The beach? I'm so excited.
Me too. But first, everyone listening?
Don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
Yes, hit that subscribe button and give us a like.
Share with your friends. Learn English together.
Perfect. Okay, David, so are you ready for the trip?
Almost, but I need to check the car first.
Check the car? Why?
Because we're driving for 4 hours. I need to make sure everything is okay.
4 hours? That's a long time.
Exactly. So I need to check the oil.
The oil, this is the liquid that makes the engine work.
Yes, if the oil is low, the car can brake.
Brake, this means stop working.
Exactly, and we don't want that.
No, that would be terrible. Okay, so you check the oil.
Yes, let me open the hood.
The hood, this is the front part of the car that opens.
Yes. Okay, let me check. The oil looks good.
Great. What else do you need to check?
The tires.
The tires, these are the round rubber parts of the car.
Yes, I need to check the air pressure.
Air pressure, this means how much air is inside the tire.
Exactly. If the tires are flat, we can't drive.
Flat, this means no air, empty.
Right. Okay, let me check. This one is good. This one is good. All good.
Perfect. So the car is ready.
Yes, the car is ready to go.
Great. Now let me put my suitcase in the trunk.
Your suitcase? Wait, how many suitcases do you have?
3.
3? 3 suitcases? We're only going for 2 days.
I know, but I need options.
Options? What options?
Different clothes, different shoes, different outfits for different activities.
Olivia, it's just 2 days. You don't need 3 suitcases.
Yes, I do. What if we go to a nice restaurant? I need a nice dress.
Okay, fine. But will they fit in the trunk?
Trunk, this is the back part of the car where you put luggage.
Yes. Let me open the trunk. Okay, put your suitcases in.
Okay, this one, and this one, and this one.
Wow, they barely fit.
Barely, this means almost not. Just enough.
Yes, barely. Okay, anything else?
Yes, I have snacks.
Snacks. Good idea. What snacks?
I have chips, cookies, chocolate, water bottles, sandwiches.
Sandwiches. We're bringing our own food.
Yes, road trips make me hungry.
Me too. Okay, put the food in the car.
Where? The trunk is full.
Put it on the back seat.
Okay, here we go.
All right, I think we're ready.
Wait, one more thing.
What? What else?
Music. We need a road trip playlist.
A playlist? This is a list of songs.
Yes, we need good music for 4 hours.
Good point. What kind of music?
I like pop music, upbeat songs.
Upbeat. This means happy and energetic.
Yes, songs that make you want to dance.
Okay, but I also like rock music.
Rock music. That's fine, we can mix.
Mix. This means combine, put together.
Yes, some pop, some rock. Perfect.
Okay, I'll connect my phone to the car.
Good. Okay, are we ready now?
Yes, I think so. Let me get in the car.
Okay, I'm getting in too.
All right, seatbelt on.
Seatbelt, this is the strap that keeps you safe in the car.
Yes, very important. Always wear your seatbelt.
Always. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go.
All right, starting the engine.
Yay, we're going.
We're going. Road trip, here we come.
I'm so excited. 4 hours to the beach.
Me too. Okay, turning on the music.
Perfect. I love this song.
Me too. Okay, everyone, we are on the road.
Yes, we're driving now.
This is going to be fun.
Very fun. Okay, David, I'm getting a little hungry already.
Already? We just left.
I know, but I'm hungry.
Haha, good thing you brought snacks.
Yes, let me get the chips.
Okay, but not too loud. I'm driving.
Don't worry, I'll be quiet.
Ha ha ha, I don't believe you.
Hey, I can be quiet.
Sure, Olivia, sure.
Okay, I talk a lot, but it's a long drive. We need to talk.
You're right. Okay, so what should we talk about?
I don't know. Oh, let's play a game.
A game? What game?
A car game to pass the time.
Good idea. We'll talk about games after our coffee break.
Coffee break? Yes, I'm getting thirsty.
Me too. Let's take a break.
Okay, everyone, we're taking a short coffee break.
We'll be back in a few minutes. Don't go anywhere.
And when we come back, we'll play games and maybe get lost.
Get lost? Oh no.
See you soon. Hello, everyone. We're back.
Yes, we're back from our coffee break.
And we're still on the road, still driving.
Still driving. How much longer?
The GPS says 2 more hours.
2 more hours. We're halfway there.
Halfway, this means in the middle.
Yes. Okay, so you wanted to play a game.
Yes, let's play I Spy.
I Spy. This is a car game.
Yes, I say, I spy with my little eye something that is, and I give a clue.
A clue. This is a hint. Information to help you guess.
Exactly, and you have to guess what I see.
Okay, I'm ready. Start.
Okay, I spy with my little eye something that is blue.
Blue? The sky.
Yes, the sky. That was easy.
Too easy. My turn. I spy with my little eye something that is green.
Green? The trees.
Yes, correct.
This game is fun.
It is. Okay, your turn.
Okay, I spy with my little eye something that is red.
Red? That car.
Yes, the red car. Good job.
Thank you. This is a good game for road trips.
Very good. It helps pass the time.
Pass the time. This means make time go faster.
Exactly. Okay, let's keep playing. Your turn.
Okay, I spy with my little eye something that is... Wait,
What? What happened?
the GPS. It's not working.
Not working? What do you mean?
The screen is black. No signal.
No signal. Oh no. How do we know where to go?
I don't know. Let me try to restart it.
Restart. This means turn off and turn on again.
Yes, let me try. Turning off, turning on. Come on, work.
Is it working?
No, still black.
Oh no. So, are we lost?
Lost? This means we don't know where we are.
I know what lost means, but are we?
I think so. I don't recognize this road.
You don't recognize it? David, what do we do?
Don't panic. Let me think.
Don't panic. This means don't worry too much. Stay calm.
Right, stay calm. Okay, do we have a paper map?
A paper map. This is a picture showing roads and places.
Yes, do we have one?
Let me check. I don't think so.
No map. Okay, wait, I have an idea.
What idea?
We can ask for directions.
Ask for directions. This means how to get somewhere.
Yes, we can stop at a gas station.
Gas station. This is a place where you buy gas for your car.
Exactly, and we can ask someone there.
Good idea. Do you see a gas station?
Let me look. Yes, there's one ahead.
Great. Let's stop there.
Okay, turning in.
Okay, we're here. Let me get out and ask.
Wait, I'll come with you.
Okay, let's go.
Excuse me. Hello.
Hi, we need help. We're a little lost.
We're trying to get to Sunset Beach. Do you know the way?
Good question.
Thanks.
So the person says, Yes, go straight for 10 miles, then turn right.
Turn right, this means go to the right side.
Yes, and then?
The person says, after you turn right, go straight for 5 more miles. You'll see the beach.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, back to the car.
Yes, now we know the way.
Okay, so straight for 10 miles.
Yes, and then turn right.
I'm so relieved.
Relieved. This means feeling better because the problem is solved.
Yes, I was worried.
Me too, but now we're okay.
Yes, okay, driving.
Driving 1, 2, 3 miles, 4, 5, 6 miles.
7, 8, 9 miles, almost 10.
Okay, 10 miles, now turning right.
Good. Now straight for 5 miles.
5 miles, here we go.
David, look at that view.
View, this means what you can see.
Yes, the mountains, so beautiful.
Wow, that is beautiful.
Can we stop just for a minute?
Stop here?
Yes, to take a photo.
Okay, good idea. Let me pull over.
Pull over. This means stop the car on the side of the road.
Yes, pulling over.
Perfect. Let me get out.
Me too. This view is amazing.
Amazing. This means very, very beautiful. Wonderful.
Yes, look at those mountains.
And the sky, so blue.
This is why I love road trips.
Me too. You discover beautiful places.
Discover. This means to find something new.
Exactly. Okay, let me take a photo.
Good idea. I'll take one too.
Perfect. This will be a great memory.
A great memory. This is something you remember.
Yes. Okay, should we keep going?
Yes, the beach is waiting.
Let's go. Back to the car.
Okay, everyone, we're almost at the beach.
Yes, just a few more miles.
This road trip was fun.
Very fun, even though we got lost.
Yes, but we found our way.
We did. Okay, everyone, thank you for listening.
Yes, we hope you enjoyed our road trip.
Please don't forget to subscribe to Daily Talking.
And click the like button.
And we have a question for you. In the comments, tell us, do you like road trips?
Yes, and have you ever gotten lost on a trip?
Write in English. Practice your writing.
Great. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Enjoy your road trips.
And always wear your seatbelt.
Bye-bye.